welcome back to the channel. I'm on tours. So I thought I'd take you souvenir shopping with me. We're going to check out the prices, see what's on offer as I go look for some presents for people back home. Let's see Wagwan. Hope you guys all doing well. So yeah, I need to get some gifts before we leave. So I thought we'd have a little wander around together. Just need one of these little fans. This one looks... It's actually not too bad. And how much? $8.50 though. Very small for $8.50. Oh, I can't get to stop now. That one's got antlers for some reason. Hello.
Hi.
I'm going to keep going because we've got to go like all the way down there anyway. There's going to be loads of gift shops along the way. Yeah, I want to get probably a bracelet for Amber, who you may have seen on our channel back in December. We went to Tenerife. And then I want to get some like new cards and bits. Oh, let's cross. Some new like playing cards. I don't know what I want to get for myself. I usually get like lighters, even though I don't smoke, but I get lighters or playing cards is usually what I get. It's quite a nice one. That's more like clothes and stuff. Yeah, the main thing is have a look at like how much stuff is compared to other sort of like holiday resorts. So you get your hair done. Okay. Very popular here. Well, they're popular everywhere to be fair. There we go, we've got this one here. Just went to the village post for our food. So I'm feeling a little bit full. Got some nice little anklets. It's quite pretty, little necklace with like the shells and everything on. Someone's down there. Have a little look inside. Cups and face mats. I only want small things because my bag's already heavy enough. So I don't want anything that's going to weigh it down. There's no blankets or clothes on this trip. That's more when we go to Turkey. Got some perfume, but I haven't really got the liquid space. But just to show you guys. Passion fruit mask, bergamot. I love bergamot. Caramel and vanilla. Dragon fruit, lychee, vanilla. And then got body mist with a little bit of shimmer. All the soaps and everything. A bit more of the expensive jewellery. Cool. So I got things out of my bag. Chess sets. You guys, little price range. It's 37. $99.50 for that one, $68, $94.50. Got your little dominoes and your what's that, expo. I used to get shot glasses. That used to be my like little thing from holiday. Always get like shot glasses. And you got your sunnies. Right, nothing in that one, so let's keep going. So we've got another one here. Again, it's more like clothes and stuff, which is great, but I don't need clothes. I've got plenty of clothes. Probably brought too many clothes. Have a little wonder in this one. Got your sponges. So $3.50 5.50, 8.50 down to 13.50. A little kind of stuff for the kiddies. Right, so where is no alcohol shots, food. Don't really want to bring food back. Did used to do magnets as well, but we keep our freezer out in like a back area, so stopped really using magnets as much. She does love writing stuff down, or maybe a nice little mirror. Never had too many little mirrors as a girl. Key.
Reporter or something?
Oh no, I do a YouTube channel.
YouTube channel?
Yes.
YouTube channel.
So I'm just showing my subscribers how much it is for stuff, so I'm getting some souvenirs for people back home.
But before you do something like that, you have to ask me.
Oh, okay.
It's not yours, okay? This store, when you come inside, you take just a photo, you have to ask me.
Ah, is it okay if I do a YouTube? It's just to put on our channel to show what the prices are. I'm getting some souvenirs for family and friends.
Okay, but you...
It's all positive, nothing bad, I promise. Do you want the channel?
Okay, do it.
Yeah.
Do it what you want and we find you after. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yes, we'll do it. Yeah, do it what you want.
Oh, okay, I'll come back
Okay.
and then I'll give you the channel details.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So like I said, I did want to get her jewellery. She does like blue. These are quite pretty. Turquoise promotes the well-being of the male and spiritual... Oh, wow. She's not a male.
Hello.
Hello, evening.
Good evening, madam. Bonjour, madam.
Bonjour. They're quite pretty as well. Got like the little clasp. Oh. Let me get the camera right. Bear with me. There we go. They're quite cute with the little turtles. And you got the little necklaces. These ones are quite nice as well. Little hearts. Oh, I quite like that one. So I get one of those. Maybe the one with like little turtles on. I quite like that. Got bags and stuff, but again, I don't really want to do bags because it's going to be too much to carry on. Do that colour. Okay. Just those three, please.
Yes.
Oh. So I got the gifts for the family. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.